Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Binance. So basically what you're going to have to do first of all is simply go to coinbase.com and then simply log into your account, and then you're going to have to simply click on this send and receive button, and then basically you're going to have to simply enter the amount of Bitcoin, or if you want you can choose other cryptocurrencies to send from Coinbase to your Binance account. And then the most important thing is that is to click on this button here, and then what you're gonna have to do here, depending on the cryptocurrency that you've selected, is to go to your account. So first of all, go to your assets, to your account here, and then you're gonna have to simply click on deposit at the top, and then simply click on deposit crypto, and then simply search for the coin. So let's say Bitcoin, and then choose the network. And then basically after that what you're gonna have to do is simply, so let's go with another one, let's go with this one here, and then basically Binance will give you this address here. So this address here is very important to paste this address here, right here, and then simply click on continue and then confirm, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.